Presenting the 2009 Chevrolet Avalanche, powered by four-wheel drive, a 5.3-liter, 8-cylinder engine, and a 6-speed automatic transmission. The features include power mirrors, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, anti-lock brakes, privacy glass. Inside you'll find child safety locks, power seats, cruise control, air conditioning, power door locks, power windows, power steering. Rest easy knowing this vehicle comes with a Carfax Vehicle History Report from Carfax, the most trusted provider of vehicle history information. Great quality at a great price. Call or click to contact us today.
This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of the Carfax Vehicle History Report online or contact the dealership. Just say, "Show me the Carfax."